Aaron Lansky has done just a wonderful, wonderful thing. That world that I have always worried about that had been destroyed, had disappeared, he's revived it, not simply the language, but the whole world of it. And I worry what's going to happen when Aaron has to pass this place on to someone else. I think I value Yiddish more because I know Aaron and I know the Book Center. And, we knew Aaron when he lived in Holyoke, and we lived in Holyoke. And when he started picking up those books out of trash cans in New York, and we just thought it was marvelous. And in fact, there should be a brick somewhere, I don't know where it is, with my father and grandfather's name on it. And maybe one, too. I think there's one with my grandmother Lena and Grandpa Isidore up there, too. We were just so happy that Aaron had done this, and it brought a link to our past. And I don't think the language in and of itself was that. It was part of the whole culture of being a Jew and being connected to that world, that Yiddish world that doesn't exist the way it did before, that entirely disappeared. And I think it probably would have disappeared anyway because of the poverty of the Jews, the extreme poverty of most of them in the 30s. But it didn't die a natural death. The Jews weren't dispersed in some way into some other form. They were cut off. And what Aaron has done is to give a new life. We don't believe in resurrection like some religions, but he has actually done that.